Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to uninstall Warframe. If you are on Windows, start by opening the control panel and go to Programs. From here, locate Warframe. Right-click on it and click on Uninstall. If you installed Warframe via Steam, open your Steam client and go to Library. As you can see, my Warframe is running in the background, so if you want to uninstall, right-click on Warframe and hover over Manage, then select Uninstall. Confirm the action in the pop-up window to remove the game. Optionally, you can check your local folders after uninstalling to delete any leftover files and clear additional space, and that's it. We discovered how to uninstall Warframe on Windows, either through Control Panel or via Steam, and how to remove leftover files for a clean uninstallation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.